Welcome to Motor Mav. P0011 Chevy code means the camshaft and camshaft solenoid is not operating properly. The reasons for these codes are almost the same in every models of Chevy Silverado. However, there are some other reasons for the P0011 code. Let's check out the reason for this code first. Engine oil quality and low oil pressure. Actuator passage got blocked. Camshaft position problem. Faulty oil control valve. Overflow oil. Now, let's discuss about the solutions for those problems. Number 1, engine oil quality and low oil pressure. The causes of low oil pressure are dirty oil, usage of wrong viscosity oil, faulty oil pump, damaged oil filter. To solve this problem, the engine oil and also the oil filter needs to be replaced. Number 2, actuator passage got blocked. Dirty oil is the reason for this problem. So, the replacement of old and degraded oil will fix the problem. Number 3, camshaft position problem. ECM always couldn't fix or detect the actual camshaft position, and that means the camshaft is not at the right angle or in advanced position, and the P0011 code comes up. Diagnosis of camshaft sensor wiring will solve the problem. Number 4, faulty oil control valve. If any broken wire is found in the bank 1 oil control valve, repair it and have a test drive. If there is no wiring issue, replace the camshaft oil control valve for the bank 1 intake camshaft. Number 5, overflow oil. This problem indicates the timing chamber is faulty. So, you need to check the timing chain, which may need replacement. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.